how do you think that the women in Ranchi or the tribal community can be as empowered as you are in Miranda House? What are the initiatives? And if in terms of forest we seek, so what kind of economic development we can do there? And if you'll be posted as one day SDA over there.
Okay. Ma'am, I think the major focus would be, I think Miranda as a college, it focuses on independence, women being independent in every aspect of life. And that is what my focus would be in terms of women of Jharkhand also. While I would also say that a lot of women in Jharkhand are actually quite independent themselves. They are involved in self-help groups and other initiatives when they can earn for themselves. But my major focus would be again to start with the basics and focus on education, because education is elusive in some rural areas. It becomes difficult. So focusing on education and secondly, it would come to the economic independence of women. And particularly in the forest areas, they could derive from, let's say again, forest-based industries, small industries like sericulture or collection of the non-timber forest produce.
Okay.
Apart from that, there could also be some social empowerment of women in terms of more representation in the Gram Sabhas or the joint forest management committees. So that could lead to their empowerment.